Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to explain to you how to assign tasks to your colleagues. It's a very useful tool because it allows you not only to delegate stuff to others when your hands are full, but also to cooperate with them, to share files or ideas on a given project. And there are two very simple ways to do it. So the first one, the basic one, is simply by creating a task. So let's say that we need to prepare a report. We click enter, and then we choose a person who should do it for us or with us here. And you choose them from the list of your contacts. If you don't know how to add contacts to your ping, go to the link below and check out our tutorial where I explain how to do it step by step. So let's say that we want this person to do this task for us, and we get an important notification that it's pending for approval from our colleague, because we want to give them a choice of either accepting the task if they are free to do it, or by rejecting the task if their hands are full too. So let's see how this panel looks on the account of a person who we assigned this task to. So right now we are on this account of the person that we assigned the task to, and we get two notifications. The first one is here. This is a pop-up notification that you get even if you are not on the ping, but for example, browsing some other websites. So it pops up informing you that there has been something new for you. And there is also a notification in the New Things tab informing you that with this little red dot that there has been a new request for you, and you have a choice of accepting or rejecting it. So let's say that we accept the task. And right now there is this command center where you see the status of the task and the chat. More about it will be explained in another tutorial, so stay tuned. There it is. So let's go back to the panel of the person that assigned the task to this one, and let's see how this panel looks right now. As you can see, we also see that there has been a new activity that our friend agreed to take on this task. And right now, all you need to do is just start working on it together. So this was one possibility. And another one is maybe even faster. We just need to go to our contacts list and we choose a person from our contacts that we want to assign the task to with our right mouse button. So we click on a person and we send a task. You can name it. So let's say that we need to create a presentation this time, and we just click send. Yeah, there has been a notification that the task is in our friend's hands, and yes, and all these tasks. This is actually worth mentioning. They appear in the newly opened Assigned tab. So this tab shows all our tasks which we delegated to others. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Stay tuned for more and have a wonderful day. See you!